Hello everyone, it's K Michelle with Lady Dragonfly Designs. I'm so happy you stopped by my channel. Okay, when you are seeing this, it is going to be Wednesday, February the 4th, okay? Big announcement. I have been invited to appear on Hazel Anka's YouTube channel. She has a program called Heart to Heart, and it's heart to heart with other crafters. And I have been asked to be on it tonight. So you're seeing this video at 7 in the morning. Make sure you hop over to her channel, and I'll list it below, tonight at 5:30. She's Mountain Time, I'm Central Time. I'm so confused. But anywho, 5:30, and it'll be live. So y'all come on and comment and say hi, and let's chat for real. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm trying to be calm. All right, anywho, here is the bird journal, and Walmart delivered my package across the street to my neighbor, but she was waiting for something from Walmart. So anyway, I swung by there, and she knows that I do paper crafting, and so she gave me these cool weather. Here, I'll do it this way. Look at the owl, isn't he cool? And that one, oh, yummy! I was so excited, and I got 2 of them. So yeah, I'm super excited, but I'm going to put those in the calendar pouch. Oh, this makes, I still got chills. I got to show you this one first. Oh my gosh, look at that. We got to open it. Oh, and Scott's not here. He went to spend the day with his daughter Keely in that, oh my gosh, in that luscious, look at that. Stunning. Oh my gosh. Look how much I got for, and this was like $6.99. Oh my gosh, so excited. I'm beside myself. Oh. Okay, and then I also ordered some, let me get this out because I think I really want to be using this one. Sorry for the glare. This is all going to pop out. I knew it would. Oh, look at all that yumminess. And then crochet. Ooh, look at the baggie I get to keep. I have a big bag of bags. My late husband used to call me the bag lady. He wasn't lying. Oh, in this, yummy. And these are different sizes and different kinds. I was trying to get as much lace for the book as I could. And so, yeah. All right, so pause the camera, go get your stuff, and let's play. Oh, I am so excited. And I always get white. I love crochet lace like this, but I always get this in white. I did buy that last set that was colored, but I could never get the color I'm looking for. So it's like, nope, every time I get this, I'm going to go white, because you can always spray it and dye it to any color you want. The lace accepts color and dye really nicely. Okay, all right. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm going to use a Fabri-Tac today. Oh, I didn't even look at the clock. I was so excited. Okay, I got a gist. Okay, I want to finish this off. Hold on, I'm going to pause y'all just for a second. Okay, I'm back. I forgot to get the stamps, my birdie stamps. Okay, all right. So what we're going to do is I'm going to finish this journal, actually finish it, okay? This is the first, okay? I know some of y'all will be like, what? I know. It's freaking me out too. I'm going to erase that now. Okay, all right. So we got this, and I want to put some lace here. And this is really all I'm going to do is finish it off with lace and some stamps and color done. And then do a flip through. Wait, I gotta get my glasses on. They did this with one of those plastic tag attacher thingies. Okay, got it. Isn't that beautiful? see, that's exactly what I'm looking. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm excited. Okay, and I got a new keyboard. And I got presentation paper. I'm so excited because I did buy the, oh, hold on, it's right here. Paper Romea, the bundle, the vintage lilac bundle kit off of her coffee for only $8.20. Oh, shoot. I didn't see. I'm not paying attention. Okay, anywho, but I did purchase that download, and I have refilled my ink, and so I'm going to print all that out. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, because I have sat here and kind of figured out my projects, and this was just a last minute thing, but it just needs to be done. My sweet lady, she was active today. She was bound and determined she was going to get out of that bed and go to the bathroom. This poor thing has not been out of the bed in 2 years. But, you know, she stretched her legs and all that stuff, so I'm down for that. I didn't let her, like, overexert herself or anything, but, you know. We played, but it makes the day go by better. And then of course today I'm filming on Wednesday, actually. A week ahead, actually. And today was bath day, and an aide from hospice comes in, and man, me and that girl make a good team because we just tag team giving her a bath. It's wonderful. I love working with this aide. And she's not the oldest employee, but she's been there the longest, and she knows her stuff. And in caregiving, you want somebody who knows their stuff. Oh, look how beautiful that turned out. Let me just trim here. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't stand it, y'all. Okay. Isn't that cute? Okay. Let's see. I'm not going to put lace. I do want to do one thing that Brenda does and puts it out to where it's like, it's out. Like ruffles on the edges kind of thing. I can't think. I'm too excited. Oh, this one's cute. Okay, I'm going to have to cut the... Whoa, that one went flying. Oh, that one's beautiful. Okay, let's put... Ooh, wouldn't that look pretty right there? It would. Let's do it. And I think what I'll do, since this is going to probably get crazy here, okay. I'm going to flip around the journal and go to the back and the front and all that, because if I don't, I'll probably end up putting lace on every darn page. Just saying. So how is everyone doing? I didn't even get to ask. I just, yes, that's what I wanted. Isn't that cute? I like that. Okay. Oh, it's sticky. Let's see. We got that. I'm going to go ahead and flip to the back. I think I just got some. Okay, let's do the same here, I think. I've been watching Peter Dinklage. I got it right. The little dwarf that plays on Game of Thrones. He is just amazing. I love him. He lives upstate New York on a farm. He has a little farm, and he is a activist for exploited farm animals that like get killed for testing and stuff, you know. He's a very big activist in that, and I didn't know that, and I thought that was pretty cool. And he's got 2 kids, and they just live this simple life. He's just amazing. There. Okay. This grabs faster than, see, grabs faster than art glitter glue. Oh, cute, cute, cute. Okay, and for here, I wanted that to be a journal. Oh, I got an avalanche over here, and the dog's here. Sorry, Era. I think did I just put all the, okay. I told you I had an avalanche, y'all. Oh, I was just so excited today because I knew this would be here. Oh, Pusha, hold on. Gotta get my little stamp drawer out. And I might have birds in here. I know I have the bees. The bee's cute. And she has bees. Ooh, I think I'm gonna do the bee. She has 2 beehives. She hadn't checked them yet. We don't know if they made it through the ice storm. Oh, that was cold. That was cold. Yesterday morning was very cold. See how simple that is. I like that. That one's cute. Okay. I think that came off my desk. I don't know. Let's see. I love. Okay, so this is the one I'm going to be working with. And I saw this little dude. Okay, let's see. Hopefully that will stay. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be upset. Okay. All right, I'm gonna stamp it. Oh, okay, I'm down with that. Oh, that is cute, 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 cute. Don't be spewing out on my stuff. Okay. That page never. Okay, and what did I do with it? I'm going to try on video to kind of show you how I kind of fix that. All I'm doing is just taking it off that side, okay? It'd be all right. We're going to put some lace there so nobody will notice, okay? Let's see. Let's get scissors, doesn't it? Pretty. Oh, the plastic stuck. Okay, got that. All right. So, has y'all's winter weather subsided? Ours was, I ended up not going in on Monday because there was still ice on my car, y'all, and I am the biggest chicken. I just can't do it. I've been there, done that, and I have fallen on my butt. I have ran into a curb. So, yeah, me and ice, no, we don't play well together. And that's fine with me. I just don't mess with the ice. And the older I get, I really don't mess with it. I'm gonna put it on this side too. I can't help it. I'm lace rich right now, so I want to play with it. Yeah, I'm so excited. I got invited to be on Hazel's Heart to Heart. It was so cool. So y'all have to go watch it. So, yeah, I told her, I said, I can't do it until, you know, like 5:30, because that's when I get off. Or I get off at 5. I get home about 5:30. And she was telling me it was mountain time. And so it'll work perfect. And I'm like, okay, if you say so. Oh, cute. Yes, that's what I wanted. Okay. All right, let's continue. This does need one because it tore right there. Let's find another little itty bitty one. Oh, yeah. Oh, they're little hearts. How precious. Now, do I want to do it that way or this way? I think I want to do it this way. Yeah, some of the cardstock when I was coffee dyeing it, it just, some of it I did, oh, who did that? I can't even remember. I watched a video and a lady used a chain, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I got a big old, or should I say, Scott has a big old rusty chain, and Lord, y'all, it was heavy. That was heavy. That one hurt. And so I put a whole bunch of paper underneath it, and yeah, some of it just got beaten, battered, and abused. Oh, let's see what else. What about the hummingbird? That would look cute. Oh, that's not big enough. I need a bigger one. Oh, then we'll just use smaller bird. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, y'all get out of my way. And I think I'm gonna do it this way. And I hope it works. It's upside down. Is it? I was trying to make it look like it was flying down. Yeah. Okay. This is what I'll do. Oh, it didn't work. Oh no. Okay. And I'll do it this way. There. That's better. All right. I like that. And let me get a bigger block here because you stay a swan. Okay. Just gonna put that right there and hope it works. If it doesn't, what you can do is when you're adding stamps like that and you want a surface, you can just put something flat right there. Excuse me. Let's see, I might need that. So, let's see. You're okay. What about a ladybug right there? There. Cute. I don't know. Where'd the first bird go? There it went. I found him. And we'll ink that up. Oh, darn it. Okay, so I'm just gonna lay it there and hope for the best. All right, I can live with that. Okay, and I wanted the hummingbird. Let's see how well this will work. Okay. I like it like that. Ah, I did it. Yay. Okay. So far, so good. My shoulder's hurting. Ow, ow, ow. And I have, this is my favorite bird right here. Okay. Cute. Okay. Cute, cute, cute. All right. Let's see. Journaling. Okay, more journaling. Oh. What else do I have? We gotta put a dragonfly. I don't want to use the same or image every time. I want it to be a little different. That's cute. Let's see, what else do I got? Let's see. Okay, what do we got? Oh, we got this other bee. Okay. Cool. Okay. And let's see. I think I'll go back to, oh, we haven't done this bee. The whimsical bee. I think I'll put this right there. Perfect. Okay. All right. I think we should put some lace right here. What do we got? That'll be fine. Or should we put the hearts at the edge? Yes, let's do that. I am so excited to give this to her. I hope she likes it. She's already actually seen it, but she had no idea. She was telling me that she had calendars of birds and bee calendars, and I'm like, oh my gosh. When somebody says they have something I can have, I just get so excited. I think we all do, don't we? I wish I could get the neighborhood more into it. I had two neighbors actually responded to my call for envelope for Christmas greeting cards. That's cute. I like that. Okay. Don't mess with that. Oh. Let's see. So I don't want to put too much. Let's open up a new one. Oh, goodness. It didn't even cut. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. I'm just putting it on the edge, and I really need my glasses on my face, not on my head. But we'll run with that. All right. Oh, don't throw it. There, let me just trim that a bit. Oh, that's pretty. Yes. Pull it down some. There we go. There we go. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. We've got another one here. I'm gonna do the ladybug again. Ladybugs are so cute. I love ladybugs. Okay, that's gonna be journaling. Okay, that was so much easier than I thought it would be. All right, y'all. Oh, I've lost my lid. Okay, I got it. Okay, let's stand. Well, I'm gonna leave it sideways. You know, I might need it. Okay, so here it is. She is chunky, but she feels fabulous. So we got lace here, and I have the old vintage crocheted kind of lace. And let's see, we got a pocket here. A journaling card, perfect size with some butterflies. And then here we have the hooded Oriole and nature, and it's got some lace. Oh, I just tore him. Uh-oh, we're gonna have to do something about that. Okay, all right, let me think. We're gonna jump into, oh my God, my desk was clean too when I walked in. Okay, I am assuming this is big and this is little. So I just, okay, well, you know what? Instead of busting that open, I am going to, okay, let's see. I think I'm actually going to put some Scotch tape on the inside. You know what I'm gonna do? Never mind, I'm not gonna do that. I am gonna glue it completely shut. Ew, it rusted, it's not real. That means this isn't, oh yeah. Oh, ew. Good thing this isn't. Okay. Get my paper towel. See, that's why it's always a good idea to go through and flip through your journal. So now I have this, okay, which now it's not going to go there. I think I'm going to leave it blank. Okay, I'm going to leave it blank. I'm going to close that. Okay, then next we have another journaling card. I love these birds. They're so cute. And see, that's another reason, because everything might not be glued down properly. I love those little birds. They're so cute, little sparrows. Okay, and then we have another corner tuck here with that wallpaper of Tim Holtz's wallpaper. Journaling card and some bling, another pocket, special journaling card. And this I made, and I just folded that over. Yeah, I hadn't taken pictures of what we made that day. And so Scott has come home and not one dog's barking. Hi, honey. Oh, well, I don't want him to look at what I bought, but here's another little card. Oh, and I love these. I think we did these on camera, but look at that embossed. Oh, beautiful. Just a couple little something there. And then one of these, I wonder. I'm gonna do that. These just did not do what I wanted them to do for me. And then that lovely drawing and two little just sumps right there. And another one of those. And it's a, y'all need to be quiet. And a big fat journaling card. I absolutely love the way that came out. And then this one's so cute, this little itty bitty one that's sewn. And then this big one, he's feeding the dogs. Okay. And it's got this one. Okay, but this is part of the page. So we have to keep that one, but the corners. Okay. Oh, we didn't back it. And another reason. And I'm just gonna quickly do that. Okay. Oh, I think I'm just gonna get it right in the middle, because I don't want the red line. And I don't mind that you can see through. Oh, hold that there. And just trim around. Okay. But I was saying earlier, so there's cute little journaling card with that cute little bottom we did. There, that lovely paper, lace, and I love these. An envelope, and that's actually a flip out, and then another journaling card, and the cute birds, and I love that, birds. Yes, I'm gonna go ahead and leave that because you know they're mushrooms. And here's another one. Another corner tuck, and that ribbon we put. This is my favorite one out of all of it. I love that page. That page is cute. And let's see. Oh, I think I will do the ladybug again, because she just looks so cute right there. Okay, cute. Okay, so we have that. That has two things. It's a pocket and the owl and more journaling, and then here is a journaling card, and here is another one of those. Yeah, I had taken pictures for my YouTube, my Facebook, so I had to pull them all out. And little something. The birds on wire, it makes me think of that movie. And another wallpaper. And this one's cute. A little something, listen to the laughter. And then that little glistening bee. And beautiful bunting. And I love the way I did that with those little brads. The two little cards. I think that came out cute. And I had to put the bunny rabbit in. I had to. He's too cute. And look at that. We got to do some more of those. Oh, I love this one too. Look at the bear. I love that. That is too cute. Okay, more journaling. And a stork, I think. So those came out cute. I don't know. Looks like a hawk. And more wallpaper stuff and lace. And cute. I love these birds. I love birds in general. And there's the crazy birds. Is it Timmy's? That's cute. I forgot who's Crazy Birds. Dana Winkley's, maybe. And then this was just the back of that magazine page. And then we used that as the tuck. Mango, you know the filming rules. If y'all just started watching. Before I started video, it's like lights, camera, everybody shut up. Since it's nothing but 6 dogs in here. I love that. I love that combination. And we have the bird in the frame. That's my favorite bird picture. And then a little sewn tag right there. Journaling. Poo. Okay. Okay. All right. Oh my goodness. Did everybody just like hold their breath like I did? Oh, that's cute. And then, love that butterfly. And she can do more journaling, add pictures. Here's another one. Should ink, but I don't know. And I love that. Brenda gave me those. Oh, Pinocchio. I like that. I'm leaving it. And then here's little something. Some more journaling. Another bird. And this stuff. And the bee for journaling. And then tag. Alright, excuse me. A journaling card. And another journaling card. And we are at the end. Oh, I love it. Love it. I think she's really going to like it. So thank y'all so much for coming along with me and looking at all my new goodies. I'm so excited. Now I have to clean my desk. And so now I will give this to her hopefully tomorrow. All right? All right. And don't forget to tonight watch Hazel Anaka Designs. And it's Heart to Heart. And I'll link all her information down below. And come and chat with me on her channel, okay? All right, lovelies. See you later. Bye.